All right, so we just took SPY calls off of that 469. I drew this line as like a line in the sand. Wasn't exactly straight, but there we go. Just trying to point out these wicks here on the bottom. I like to zoom in to see exactly what's going on. Still on the 5 minute, the 15's okay as well. And I'm looking at these wicks were just bigger than the top wicks, and we were getting this too. Let me kind of show that right here. If I could, I can't even grab it. Right like that. Okay. So all I was trying to show you here is these wicks versus that upside, and that's kind of distracting. So, yeah. So let me get rid of this. I was just drawing a line in the sand, hey, and beautiful bull flag popped above. Tesla losing it. I mentioned before it was slower, you know, with NVIDIA popping. I'm seeing some 77 percenters on 0 days and 18 percenters on 12th, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 4 days out. In the main chat, 58% 0 days. AMD 27%. Good job on AMD. Tesla back in the wedge still. Remember I was saying no trade there. Take that off. I think SPY just pops above off of this 46954. AMD still beautiful. Look at that. Not even a retest. None of these lines have happened yet. It's just mooning. Let's check out NVIDIA compared to AMD. Just a flag. I mean, to me, that's just when you have to chase. We never got this retest here of, you know, I guess it did go to Friday's high. So, yeah. SPY still going here. So it really tested yesterday's high and went up on NVIDIA. Q still going. SPY, beautiful continuation here. Everybody taking profits. Bulls getting back in. 40 seconds left. New high a day on SPY. So nice entry on the yellow arrow. I was mentioning, hey, watch that level we dip ripped over. Wow, NVIDIA, that is crazy. See how Tesla's not doing what NVIDIA's doing? You can't trade it. I mean, you just can't. I personally can't do Tesla yet. Tremendous play there on SPY. Nice. Okay. Oh, Emma got into SPY as well. So I marked it as a lotto because we weren't above that 469, but we definitely popped, you know, what, 90 cents. If you got in before 469 as we were building that pressure, NVIDIA is really strong. Wow, I'm going to have to do a video recap because I did my watch list. Just go through each one. Yeah, Tesla out of the gate with a pop. NVIDIA though, just wow. So let's take a look at the Tesla trade that I didn't do. I'm trying to zoom out. So let's draw our lines here. What we had was falling wedge on a small time frame. Tesla's flagging right now, but it's definitely making higher lows for sure. Like, it just hasn't. I mean, NVIDIA went 495 to 512. That's, 17, now it's $18 move. And Tesla went 236 to 238. So $2 versus $12. That's 10 more points is freaking insane. There's no way I would be getting into Nvidia right here or chasing it. But there's more risk reward on Tesla right now, which is making another flag. Another kind of falling action. Let's see if I do the candle bodies for right now. That's all I have to work with. You need to pop out. This is a 5-minute chart, so you go in on a 5-minute chart, you might not be in a play for more than 5 minutes. Yeah, Tesla losing it, even though it's on that pre-market level. Meanwhile, look at Nvidia. There's no red candle yet on Nvidia. Tremendous momentum pouring into Nvidia here, while Tesla just sits there. So, I wanted Tesla as well. SPY's even flagging up. It was red there. So Tesla flagging hasn't got up yet. I think it holds pre-market high. But if SPY were to roll, Tesla's really going to roll because it's weak. And it's, I would short into this 23745 if SPY starts to lose it. What you don't want to happen here on SPY is to create a rising wedge. This happened the other day. You kind of get like this. And they either pinch or they megaphone. They do this or they do this, that would have to come up and then it would megaphone. Not megaphone, but this one would pinch. So you don't want that because that becomes bearish. You want falling price action to pop. Tesla losing that pre-market high. I just said it would probably hold 45 seconds. Let's see. Let me move the wedge now, right? I have to be very fluid. Price action's happening all the time. I have to be fluid with my shapes. You want to see SPY roll off of this 46954. Look, it's the same thing repeating. See these wicks here at 6:40 a.m., 6:50 a.m. Now we have again the same pattern. Pump, green, red, pump, green, red. Do we get green, red? So trying to get some edge and insight there. Let's take this one to SPY, but let's go to the 15. Multiple time frame analysis. Still though, look. I drew this a little bit earlier. Like you're hitting your profit targets here. SPY needs over this line, or we will come back down to pre-market high, which is 468.5, etc. I really hope SPY busts above this, dude. That would be like rally time. Okay, look, Tesla so far getting this bounce off of the blue line. Okay, so this is what we have on Tesla. We have this major rejection here off of the blue line, which I give out, before market. You guys have had this blue line for a long time. And does this resistance flip to support here? Or does this become head and shoulders? Okay, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So you want that to pop, or you're going to have a drop and another shoulder over here. Okay, it's going to try to come up, and it's going to fail. So this is like the bearish outlook. All right, with SPY hitting that resistance. I'm not saying Tesla follows SPY, but the market runs together. And we are getting this sell-off on lowering volume. So I would not be surprised to get a pop. But this is my bearish scenario. Tesla's bouncing off VWAP as well. Do I have VWAP up? Yeah, it's bouncing off VWAP right there. So a couple of different scenarios there on Tesla. Head and shoulders. Or we continue this pattern up. Boom, boom, boom. Up, boom, 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 up. We have to get above this 23856. Where did I get that orange from? See, this orange line is blue for me now. So I'm making this a blue line because of what just happened. Blue, blue. I'm like, I want to see if price is going to react to that, and it just did. So it's a blue line for me now. If you want that, you have to just reload the chart. And SPY is respecting this trend line that I drew. So, and Tesla's just dropping. So this is a successful falling wedge into a failing falling wedge. Totally lost the blue line here as SPY rolls over a little bit. Just some slowdown. See, Q is stronger. Same slowdown though. Yeah, pattern all week. Pop, then fade down. All week. Pop, fade. It's been like crazy. So now we're watching 469 on the other side. Same thing as Tesla. Do we get this head and shoulders? So we have this, which I'm going to clone. I really hope it doesn't happen, because then we're going to just have another day watching the market fade, which I really just don't enjoy. I really hope SPY can flag up here and not fall into this head and shoulders. Let me screenshot this whole thing. Anything you guys want me to look at, please let me know. Otherwise, I'm just doing my thing here. How's this stream been? It's been a while since we've been on live. I've come and jumped on and missed you guys a few times. I know it's not been consistent. My health has been horrible. Oh, I need to take my medicine, actually. Man, I just really am happy to finally be on the right antibiotic with this ear infection. If we don't flag up looking at a potential head and shoulders. Come on, SPY, get over that 15-minute, man. Let's turn the market. Just a big resistance to break on the 15-minute.